In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a mirror column in your automations when working with Monday.com. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the ins and outs of making mirror columns work in automated workflows, but you'll also gain a smoother, smarter way to connect information across boards and streamline your processes. Let's jump in and walk through it together. First things first, it's important to know that Monday.com offers some specialized, pre-built automation templates, sometimes called recipes, which are specifically set up to work with mirrored status columns. Now, what does that mean? Well, if you've ever tried to automate actions based on mirrored columns, you might have noticed that some native automations just don't trigger the way you'd expect. That's because only certain automations can work directly off of a mirrored status column. So in this tutorial, we are focusing on those tried and true, built-in recipes that are designed for this very purpose. To start, open up your Monday.com board where you're working with mirrored columns. At the top of the screen, you'll see an Automate button. Go ahead and click it. This brings you into the Automation Center, which is kind of like a control room for all things automation on your board. Here, you're able to manage existing workflows or create new ones. Now, if it's your first time here, don't let the options overwhelm you. Monday.com organizes automations neatly so you can filter for exactly what you need. Next, look for the Create tab inside the Automation Center. Within that tab, you'll see categories like Due Date, Status, and Mirror. For our task today, we want to focus on Mirror. Click on that to filter the automation recipes down to just those that interact with mirrored status columns. This is super helpful because it quickly narrows things down, so you're only seeing templates that will work properly in your case. Now, you'll see a list of recommended recipes. Some useful ones include when status changes to something, change another status to something, and when status changes to something, set due date to current date. These might sound a bit wordy, but they're telling you exactly what will happen. When the status in your mirrored column goes from, let's say, in progress to done, you can automatically update a status or a due date somewhere else, like ripples moving out from a stone thrown into a pond. It's all about keeping information synchronized across different boards. Choose the recipe that fits your workflow best by clicking on it. Now comes the configuration part. Don't rush. Take a moment to read each option. In many of these templates, you'll notice the first status dropdown. Here's the important bit. It'll allow you to pick your mirrored status column. That's what makes this template special. Most automations won't let you do that. Select your mirrored column from the menu, then finish filling out the other options according to what you want to happen. Maybe you want a connected items status to update automatically whenever something changes in the original board. Or perhaps you need to log today's date as a due date when a task is completed elsewhere. The templates are designed to accommodate these cross-board updates seamlessly. Once you've configured everything, save your automation. Monday.com will handle the rest behind the scenes, keeping your boards working together effortlessly. If you don't see your mirrored column in the dropdown, double-check that you've set up the mirror correctly. Sometimes a little tweak is all it takes. And don't worry if this process feels a bit new. It might take a few tries to get everything set up just the way you like. Remember, these mirror-specific recipes are your best bet for syncing automations between boards using mirrored status columns. All right. That wraps up this walkthrough on harnessing the power of mirror columns in Monday.com. Automations. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. And definitely subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. I'm here to help you make Monday.com work for you. Thanks for watching.